Welcome back to our channel. As we gear up for the 2023 F1 season, we've compiled a list of the top F1 racetracks that are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. From the stunning views of Monaco to the heart-pumping elevation changes of Brazil's Interlagos circuit, we've got it all. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Yas Marina Circuit in Abu Dhabi. This track, which was built in 2009, has undergone several major modifications over the years. The most recent changes involved replacing the 4th, 5th, and 6th turns. But despite the modifications, the track has remained a fan favorite, and every Abu Dhabi Grand Prix has been held at Yas Marina since it opened. Coming in at number 4 is the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg, Austria. Originally opened in 1969, the track underwent a brief closure in 2004 before reopening in 2011. Since 2014, the Red Bull Ring has become the recurring host for the Austrian Grand Prix. This track is known for its high-speed straights and tight corners, which always make for a thrilling race. At number 3, we have the Circuit de Spa-Francorchamps in Stavelot, Belgium. This historic racetrack was first opened in 1921 and has hosted the Belgian Grand Prix every year since 1985, except for 2003 and 2006. The track underwent major renovations in 2010 and 2013, making it a more suitable racing environment. Coming in at number 2 is the iconic Circuit de Monaco. This venue is a fan favorite, with its aesthetically beautiful racetrack and challenging corners. No constructor has been as successful in Monaco as McLaren, who have claimed 15 wins at the venue. And legendary driver Ayrton Senna holds the record for the most driver wins in Monaco with 6 over his illustrious career. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is none other than the Interlagos circuit in Sao Paulo, Brazil. This track, which has held the Brazilian Grand Prix since 1973, is built on hilly terrain, creating drastic changes in elevation and making for one of the most exciting races of the year. Fans love the fast-paced action and the challenging twists and turns of this iconic racetrack. So there you have it, our top 5 F1 racetracks for the 2023 season. We can't wait to see the world's top drivers battle it out on these thrilling tracks. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.